Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com, and in today's video I have the February 2022 knit crate. I am super excited for this one as I saw the preview video for it and I really was excited to see what the colors looked like in person. The colors for this particular month are very vibrant and very bright, so I'm very excited to see what I got this month. So let's dive right in. Okay, so it looks like I got that very vibrant, pretty blue. And the theme for February is called Land and Sea. There is magic between these great lichen and moss-coated trees. Follow the path to the hidden getaway deep in the forest. And those are some of the colors or photos that they use for the color inspiration. And here you have the patterns for this month. So if you belong in the crochet and knit club, you get one crochet and one knit pattern, and those are made with the green colored yarn. It looks like they're both shawls or scarves. And for the crochet and knit sock club, you get one pattern for crochet and one for knit. Now in order to see these patterns, you have to be a member and you have to log into your account, as well as the double down code. You have to log into your account to take advantage, and for this you can use this code if you are logged in, and you can already get an extra 30% off your order. So if you're a member, you already get 35% off your entire order, but if you log in, you can get an additional 30% off. And the sale runs February 15th through April 1st. So definitely take advantage of that. Now I know I said in many videos in the past about Knitcrate, they said in February they were going to bring the booklets back. So I am really disappointed that they do not have the booklets once again. So maybe in March they will. I guess I'm just going to stop hoping and just be surprised whenever they do decide to come back with that booklet. And if they don't decide to come back with a booklet, then I think they should at least go around and tell their members that everything is going to be digitally from now on. So to look at the yarn really fast, it's this beautiful vibrant shade of blue. So this yarn is Vidalana Ascendance by Knitcrate, and the color I have is called Vivid Blue, which is very fitting. This is 100% Peruvian Highland Wool. It's a sport weight yarn. It's 328 yards or 300 meters, 100 grams or 3.5 ounces, and it's hand washed gently, dry flat. And this is custom made in Peru exclusively for Knitcrate. So each month you get 2 skeins in a matching color. So for this month I got this beautiful blue, and it's showing up a little bit more bright on camera, but you can see that this is a chain spun yarn, and it's so pretty, and it is very soft too. Probably not as soft as some of the other yarns that they've had. You could definitely feel the wool in it, but I think it's still very soft for a wool yarn, and I would definitely make a scarf or something with this yarn. Oh, I just love this color. Very pretty. And they always come out with an extra. So this is Catrinkles, and it looks like this is a tapestry needle that's held in a felt sheep, which I thought was really cute. And this is their website, catrinkles.com. And Catrinkles buttons and tools are lovingly designed, expertly crafted, and hand finished in our Rhode Island studio. And here is their website and everything if you wanted to follow them on Instagram or just check out what they have to offer. I did see a lot of different items that they had that were really cute and very useful for knitters or crocheters. So I highly recommend giving them a look and seeing if there's anything of interest to you. So very cute and fun extra, something that is always needed and something that you can definitely use. So really like that. I just can't get over this blue. It's so pretty. I think I might have to stop everything that I'm doing and make a project with this right away. But if we look at the booklet once again, it's Land and Sea. And again, here are the photos for that inspiration for this month. And here's a little bit more information about the yarn. So you have Vivid Blue, which is what I have, Limestone, which is that really pretty cream, and Fatigue Green, which is that beautiful olive green color. Even if you got one skein of each of these colors and made a project with it, I think it would look very pretty. These colors definitely work very well together. Now, if you're part of the sock club, you get the Aldine's Wool Landscapes, and you will be getting one of these two colorways. So you'll either get Fairy Crossing, which is that deep blue color, or you'll get Dried Leaves, which is a brown color. So that you can see right there. I'm sorry, it's very hard to show the booklet on a device, so hopefully you could see everything. So here are what the knit and crochet patterns look like, and then these are what the sock patterns look like. So first up we have that beautiful knit pattern, and this is the Woodland Magic Shawl by Vanessa Knits. And you can see it's made with that beautiful green color. Next we have the Butterfly Surprise Shawl by Alexandra Halsey with Alex. And hopefully you could see right here is that beautiful butterfly design. I'm not really sure how you would make that, but I'm very interested in learning, and I think it would look very pretty in that blue color. Next up we have the knit pattern, and this is called the Sand Lines by All Knit Up Designs. And this is in that Dried Leaves colorway. And finally we have the Pebbles and Streams by Abby Swanson, or the Firefly Hook, and this is the crochet pattern. I thought that was really fun. The texture looks like little pebbles. It looks really fun. And then finally, after all the patterns, here's a little bit more photos of those crochet socks, and then you get a sneak peek at the next theme. So the theme for March is called Metropolis, and you could see that there's going to be some very pretty pastel colors. So I'm very, very interested to see what kind of yarn colors they come out with this set. Now, whether you're part of the Knit and Crochet Club or the Sock Club, you do get the same booklet and you do get access to all 4 of these patterns. So I thought that was really nice, and you always have a variety of different things to work on. If you know how to knit and crochet, then you definitely get an added bonus of 4 different patterns to try out. And again, you can always purchase more of their yarn on knitcrate.com if you log into your account, and you can receive those additional discounts if you want more of this yarn to make a large project, or if you want to try out that sock yarn as well. So as far as the yarn goes, I'm really excited to try something with this. I don't necessarily work with a lot of chain spun yarn, so I'm interested to see how this works up. It's very soft, like I said, and I think it will definitely keep me warm and cozy as this winter season is still hanging around. And I really like that fun extra. I really think that the tapestry needle was a very nice touch included, and I will definitely be using that. For the patterns, I actually like the patterns this month. I usually don't like all of the patterns, or I'm not super crazy about them, but I can definitely see myself making that crochet butterfly shawl or scarf. I think I will work on that very soon once I get these caked up into a cake and get working on that. My only downfall again is just I really wish that instead of this little postcard, I wish they would have that booklet. I feel like just having that booklet for reference is going to be so much easier than having to rely on your computer or your iPad or anything like that just to review the pattern. I like to have the printed out version. Maybe I'm just old school that way, but I really like having that printed version versus the digital version. So that way I can always refer back to it in my crochet pattern binder instead of just always having to remember to log on to the account. So I really hope that they include the booklet in one of the next future kits. So again, this is the February 2022 Knit Crate. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you give Knit Crate a try. I do have a coupon code in the description box below, so if you click on my link, you will go ahead and be able to get some money off of your first kit. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you give this subscription box a try. I really like Knit Crate. Knit Crate has a lot of beautiful yarns each month, and I'm so excited to see every single time what new yarns and colorways they come out with. So I definitely would give this a try. You can always cancel after your first subscription if you just want to do a trial base and just kind of see what they're all about. So now it's time to like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!